So if you followed my last tutorial on how to build your own website, you might be wondering, hey, how do I track my results? How do I see what's going on in Google? How do I know how often I'm showing up in Google? How do I track my analytics? How do I see my traffic, right? All right, here's what you need to do. Log into your website, and this will work on any WordPress website, and it's free and it's official through Google. The only plugin you really need to track your stats. All right, so go to plugins, add new. Up here, search for Site Kit. Right there. See, it's by Google. It's the official plugin. And this plugin here will let you sync your website with Google Search Console, which is what tracks the SEO, the search performance. And then it'll also sync with analytics, which lets you see, what browsers your users are on, what devices they're on, what landing pages, how they behave on your website. You get the whole picture of what they're doing once they hit your website. All right, so activate, and then you will see this here. Congratulations, the Site Kit plugin is now activated. And you'll see it here too, dashboard. When you first install it, you're going to have to set it up. So start setup, and you're going to see this, connect. This is optional. I'm going to ignore it. So sign in with Google. Okay, continue. You're just going to basically sync everything here with Google. So have it verify your site ownership. See, back in the day, you used to have to put some HTML code in there. Now you can just use this plugin, go through the setup right here, and it'll just do everything for you. Turn on metrics, yep. Set up Search Console, yep. Set up analytics, yep. I mean, it also lets you set up Google AdSense. So if you wanted to have ads on your website, but this is for an auto detailing business, so we're not going to do that. Here you would select the account. I have a bunch of them here. You're going to do set up a new account. Name it after your site. It already has it in there. It'll do it for you. You can leave it like that. Enabled enhanced measurement. Create account. Continue. Continue. And that's it. You are now synced with Google. Oh, my bad. You gotta accept this. Okay. Accept. Okay. Like all these things here are optional right here in the bottom. I'm doing these three. Accept. So now it's going to take time. Analytics doesn't really give you live results. So check back in a day or two. If your website's very new, you're probably not going to have anything for a while, but at least you will be tracking the data. So as you grow, as you get more traffic, this is where you can monitor everything. And then outside of this, now if you go to Google Search Console, just Google it, Google Search Console, and you sign in with your account, you will see the full reports. I'll go over this in another video. Also, analytics.google.com. That's where you can also see your stats. Everything is also here in the dashboard. So, I mean, if you're not really tech savvy and this isn't your thing, I would just keep it simple. Just look at the Site Kit plugin here. At least you can monitor, how much traffic you're getting, how much is coming from Google, how much is coming from social media. You can see how is Facebook bringing you more traffic than Instagram. It'll help you know where to point your efforts more, what's working more for you. Like I really think when it comes to this stuff, double down on what works, right? Like if you know Facebook is bringing you more traffic than Instagram, and you're really trying equally hard on both, well, double down on the one that's really bringing in results, right? I mean, that's just a basic tip, but every case is different. So look, that's all you need to get going. Right now, you're tracking everything at this point, and that's all you need. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful. And I'll have some more tutorials for you soon. We're going to go over how to use the Google Search Console to improve your rankings and rank for more keywords. So look out for that one. Until next time.